Welcome to our comparison of the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer portable washing machines in gray and blue. These compact laundry solutions are perfect for small living spaces like apartments, RVs, and dorms. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and help you decide which color suits your style best. Both the gray and blue Elevon mini spin dryers are designed with portability in mind. Weighing only 14 pounds and measuring 10.6 by 13.4 by 18.9 inches, these machines are perfect for RVs, dorms, and small apartments. Their lightweight design makes them easy to move around, ensuring that laundry day is hassle-free. Both models feature a 2-in-1 operation that combines washing and dehydration capabilities. They utilize a turbo wash system for quick cycles, but keep in mind that they are semi-automatic, requiring manual water filling and clothes transfer. This design allows for efficient laundry care in limited spaces. Both the gray and blue Elevon mini spin dryers deliver high performance with their turbo wash system. They are designed for small loads of up to 5.5 pounds, making them ideal for personal laundry. However, the spin drying function only removes excess water, so clothes may still require air drying afterward. In conclusion, both the Elevon mini spin dryer portable washing machines in gray and blue offer the same functionality and performance, with the only difference being their color. Choose the one that fits your aesthetic preference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.